the silent killer of our oceans, the devastating effects of ocean acidification on shellfish. Ocean acidification is a serious problem that is affecting our oceans, and it is a silent killer of our marine life. The problem arises when carbon dioxide is absorbed into the ocean and reacts with water molecules, forming carbonic acid. As a result, the ocean's pH level drops, making it more acidic. The impact of ocean acidification on marine organisms, particularly on shellfish, is devastating. In this article, we will discuss the effects of ocean acidification on shellfish and its implications for the environment. Understanding ocean acidification. Ocean acidification refers to the ongoing decrease in the pH of the Earth's oceans, primarily caused by the absorption of atmospheric carbon dioxide, CO2, into the ocean. The process of ocean acidification is a complex chemical reaction, where carbon dioxide reacts with water to produce carbonic acid. The carbonic acid then dissociates into hydrogen ions, which leads to a decrease in the pH level of the ocean. Causes of ocean acidification. The main cause of ocean acidification is the increase of carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere. The rise of atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration is mainly due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and cement production. The ocean absorbs approximately 25 to 30% of the carbon dioxide that is released into the atmosphere, resulting in a decrease in pH. Effects of ocean acidification on shellfish. Ocean acidification has severe consequences on shellfish, as it interferes with their ability to form shells. Shellfish, such as oysters, mussels, and clams, require calcium carbonate to build their shells. However, as the ocean becomes more acidic, the concentration of carbonate ions decreases, making it more difficult for shellfish to form and maintain their shells. The following are some of the adverse effects of ocean acidification on shellfish. Reduced shell growth. Ocean acidification has been shown to reduce the growth rates of various shellfish species. Studies have found that juvenile shellfish are particularly vulnerable to the effects of ocean acidification, as their shells are still forming. Furthermore, exposure to ocean acidification can weaken existing shells, making them more prone to breakage. Increased mortality rates. Ocean acidification can also increase the mortality rates of shellfish. Studies have shown that shellfish exposed to increased acidity have a decreased ability to fight off infections and diseases, making them more susceptible to death. Disrupted reproduction. Ocean acidification can also interfere with the reproductive processes of shellfish. Studies have found that exposure to increased acidity can decrease the fertilization success of some shellfish species. Additionally, it has been shown to impair the development of larvae, which can lead to reduced survival rates. Changes in behavior and physiology. Ocean acidification can also have profound effects on the behavior and physiology of shellfish. For example, exposure to increased acidity can cause changes in metabolism. Implications of ocean acidification on ecosystems. The effects of ocean acidification on shellfish can have far-reaching implications for the broader marine ecosystem. Here are some examples of how the issue can disrupt marine ecosystems. Disruption of food webs. Shellfish play a vital role in marine food webs, serving as a primary food source for many species. The decline in shellfish populations due to ocean acidification can have ripple effects on the entire food web, leading to imbalances and even species extinctions. Impact on commercial fishing industries. Shellfish are an essential commercial fishing product, and their decline due to ocean acidification can have significant economic consequences for communities that rely on them. In some cases, the decline in shellfish populations can lead to the collapse of entire fishing industries. Ways to address ocean acidification. While the effects of ocean acidification on shellfish are severe, there are steps that can be taken to address the issue. Here are 2 solutions that can help reduce the effects of ocean acidification. Reducing carbon emissions. Reducing carbon emissions is the most effective way to reduce the effects of ocean acidification. By lowering the amount of carbon dioxide that is released into the atmosphere, we can slow the rate of ocean acidification and reduce its effects on marine life. Supporting sustainable fishing practices. Supporting sustainable fishing practices can also help mitigate the effects of ocean acidification. Sustainable practices, such as limiting fishing quotas and protecting important shellfish habitats, can help maintain healthy shellfish populations and ensure their continued contribution to the marine ecosystem. Conclusion: ocean acidification is a significant threat to marine life, particularly shellfish. The acidification of our oceans can disrupt ecosystems and cause severe economic consequences for communities that rely on shellfish for food and income. However, by reducing carbon emissions and supporting sustainable fishing practices, we can mitigate the effects of ocean acidification and protect the health of our oceans. Thanks for watching.